Welcome to Glowbom. In this video we will be creating a Valentine's Day quiz. Choose quiz and enter the name of your project. Press the pencil button to open the editor. Enter your texts and add answer options. To add a voice or change the color of the application, go to the settings. This is how you can randomize the questions. From now on, they will appear in random order.
Who opened the first Valentine's card business in America? Ellen Clapsaddle, James Valentine, Esther Howland.
Now let's deploy our web application to a hosting. You can use any hosting you like. For this app, we use Netlify. Let's export the data file in source code. Now let's put the data file in the assets folder. Next, let's change the icon. You just need to drag and drop your icon files into this folder. Finally, let's drag the web build folder to Netlify. Alright. There we have it. Now let's open the link and test our Valentine's Day quiz.
Which of these holidays is not celebrated on the 14th of February? National Ferris Wheel Day, International Book Giving Day, Bio-Donut Day. When was the first Valentine's card business opened in America? In the 1800s, in the 1820s, in the 1840s. Who opened the first Valentine's card business in America? Ellen Clapsaddle, James Valentine, Esther Howland. The 14th of February is not just Valentine's Day. What other holiday is celebrated on this day? International Work Alone Day, Galentine's Day, National Text Your Ex Day. What year, according to legend, is the very first Valentine's card dated? 1415, 1618, 1717.
The next step is to add the app icon to the home screen. To do this, go to the browser on the phone, open the app link, press share and add to home screen. Here you can change the app name. Great. Now your web app looks exactly like a mobile app. Thank you for watching the video, and let us know if you have any questions. I wish you the best of luck building your app. See you on glowbom.com. Take care.